Hello and welcome to Shona. In this video we are going to cover names of wild animals found in Zimbabwe. Mhuka Dzesango dzinowanikwa mu Zimbabwe. I will start with what is known as the Big Five, the ones that are on the picture above, and I'll be giving you the Shona names, starting with the elephant. The elephant in Shona is called Nzou. Nzou. Followed by the king of the jungle, Simba, the lion. Yes, Simba is a Swahili word, is the Swahili name for lion, but in Shona we call it Shumba. Shumba. The third one is the buffalo. It's called Nyati. Nyati. Number 4 is the rhinoceros, which is called Chipembere. Chipembere. And then the fifth one is the leopard. It is called Mbada. Mbada. Yes, that's the fifth of the big five. Now we are done with the big five, and next up is another animal in the cat family, and it's the cheetah. The cheetah is called Dindingwe. Dindingwe. Now it looks very similar to the leopard, and sometimes people confuse the two, but the main difference is that the cheetah is taller and probably longer, and its spots are solid. It also has the tear lines on its face, which the leopard doesn't have. And the cheetah is more athletic, so to speak, its body structure, and it is the fastest animal, mammal, as you may know. Alright, so next up is the giraffe. The giraffe is called Furiramudenga. Furiramudenga. Next is the hippopotamus. The hippopotamus is called Mvuu. Mvuu. Next, the zebra is called Mbizi. Mbizi. Now, I've got a question for you. Are zebras black or white? Not easy to tell, hey? Last but not least is the Eland. It's called Mhofu. Mhofu. Thank you for watching, and here's a summary of what we have covered here. The 10 animals, starting with the elephant, is called Nzou. The lion is Shumba. Buffalo is Nyati. The rhino is called Chipembere. Leopard, Mbada. Cheetah is the Dindingwe. Giraffe, Furiramudenga. That's a long one. And hippopotamus is called Mvuu. Zebra is Mbizi, and Eland is called Mhofu. Thank you for watching, and keep on learning Shona. Speak Shona. Until the next video, bye bye.